So question,
Read the question.
how many different 5-letter words starting with a vowel can be formed from the letters of the word equation?
5-letter words. Read the full question.
How many different 5-letter words starting with a vowel can be formed from the letter?
Only this is the question.
Yes, sir.
Single question. How many different 5-letter words can be formed from the letters of the word equation starting with vowels? This is the question, na?
Yes, sir.
So if we start with vowel, first form the 5 boxes. This is the first letter, then second, third, fourth, and 5. How many vowels are there? Equation contains all the 5 vowels. है ना? A, E, I, O, U. So how many choices are there to fill the first letter?
5.
5 in all. So first statement. What must be the first statement? Can you tell? Number of ways of selecting. What we have to select?
5 vowels in one place.
One vowel.
So
Out of
5 places.
5 vowels. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Number of ways of selecting one vowel out of 5 vowels for first place. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Means first we have to select one vowel out of 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So first place can be filled with A or E or I or O or U. Means there are 5 choices. 5C1. Selection means combination, or we can directly write 5. Is that clear to you? There are 5 choices for first letter. Now, how many places are there with us? How many places are there to fill?
4.
So 4.
Many places to be filled, as we have filled only one place till now. So it is 4 only. And how many letters are remaining with us to fill? How many letters do we have now? Count the letters of the word equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that clear to you? There are 8 letters and we have used only one of them. Either A or E or I or O, U, E. And remaining 7 are there still with us. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
must be the next statement now? Number of ways of arranging. This time we will arrange these 4 letters. Is that clear to you? Arrange means permutation. Number of ways of arranging 4 letters, 4 objects out of 7 objects is given by what?
7P4.
7P4. That is factorial 7 upon factorial 7 minus 4. So it is factorial 7 upon factorial 3. 7, 6, 5, 4. 7 6 are 40, 210 4 are 840. Understood? So what will be the total number of ways? As first we have filled the first place, and there are 5 choices to fill the first place, and 840 arrangements are there to fill the remaining 4 places. So what will be the total number of ways of writing 5-letter words starting with what?
Vowel.
With vowels from letters of the word. Which word?
Equation.
Equation.
Will be from principle of multiplication. 5 choices for first place and 840 arrangements for the remaining 4 places. So 4200 is the answer. Is that clear to you? So there are 4205 letter words starting with vowels formed from the letters of the word equation. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Read again. Read the question. In an
Examination.
examination,
There are 3 multiple choice questions,
3 multiple choice questions. Okay.
and each question has 4 choices.
A, B, C, D, na, like Amitabh Bachchan.
Find the number of ways in which a student can fail to get all correct answers.
Okay. Find the number of ways in which a student fails to give correct answers. We have 3 multiple choice questions. Okay. Now, in how many ways can these 3 multiple choice questions can be solved? For first question, how many choices are there? For first question, how many choices are there to answer?
So 4.
4, na? And for second?
Yes. So
For second
4.
question, 4. For
The 4.
question,
So 4.
so how many number? 4 means, and we have to answer first and second and third, or first or second or third. Huh? We have to answer first and second and third. All 3 questions, na?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how many
sir.
choices will be there? Will it not be 4 cube and to the power r?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Out of these choices, how many arrangements are there in which all the answers are correct? Can you tell?
So 64 minus 1.
Only one choice is there in which all the 3 answers are correct.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Only one series of answer has what? All the correct answers. Okay. And what is the question? What we have to find?
Sir, the number of ways in which a student can fail to get all correct answers.
So number of ways to be paid to give all correct answers. Out of this 64, only one series is of correct answers. So subtract it from 64. So there will be 63 ways. Is that clear to you? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have understood this one? Out of the 64 series of answers, there is only one series which have all the correct answers. So this will be omitted from the total number of answers. So the remaining number of answers which have at least one answer incorrect is 64 minus 1. Either it has one answer correct, two wrong, or two correct, one wrong, or all the three wrong. Okay. Now read the next doubt.
There are 3 prizes to be distributed among 6 boys.
3 prizes. बहुत नाइंसाफी है नहीं.
Yes, sir.
First prize, second prize, third prize. Three prizes. Number of persons
6.
6. A, B, C, D, E, F. So how many choices are there with us to give first prize? Can you tell?
So 6.
6. Now, is it given in the question? We cannot give second prize to the same person.
So 3 part है question के.
Hey, what is the first part?
No boy gets more than 1 prize.
Okay, no boy gets more than one prize. This is the first part. If no boy gets more than one prize, so number of ways of this, so repetition is not allowed like this, na? So number of ways of giving 3 prizes to 6 persons. First prize has 6 choice. Second prize has how many choice? 5. Third prize has 4 choices only, na? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number of ways, this is same as number of ways of arranging 3 prizes for 6 persons. Number of ways of arranging 3 objects out of 6 objects. When repetition is not allowed, this is given. One boy, one person gets only one prize, na? So it is 6p3. Is that clear to you? That is factorial 6 upon factorial 3, 6, 5, 4. It's 120. Understood? Now read the second part.
So there is no restriction as to the number of prizes any boy gets.
Question will be same, but there is no restriction is the condition. So what will be the answer? N to the power r. Is that clear to you? Means 6 cube. For first prize there are 6 choice. For second prize there are 6 choice. For third prize also there are 6 choices. Understood? So 216 ways of there ways are there to distribute 3 prizes among the 6 students. If there is no restriction, one boy can have as many as number of prizes. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Same. Number of ways of arranging. Arranging is also the same. 3 prizes for 6 persons is also the same. But this time repetition is allowed. We can call first A for first prize, then again A for second prize, then again A for third prize. Similarly, other choices are also there. So in all, there are 216 choices. Is that clear to everyone? Read the third part.
No boy gets all the prizes.
So how many ways are there to give all the prizes to a single boy? If we want to give first, second, and third prize to a single boy, how many choices are there? Can you tell?
So 3.
Why? If you want to give first, second, third all prizes to a single person A, or to B, or to C, or to D, or to E or to F. So how many choices are there to give all the three prizes to the same person?
6.
6 choices are there, na?
Yes, sir.
A single prize means we are making a bundle of all the three prizes and giving all three of them to the same person. Is that clear to you? So we have 6 prizes, 6 choices. Either we will give all the three prizes to A, or we will give all the three prizes to B, or we will give all the three prizes to C, or we will give all the three prizes to D, or we will give all the three prizes to E, or we will give all the three prizes to F. So there are 6 choices only to give all the prizes to a single person. Number of ways of giving all three prizes, it becomes one only if to the same person. Out of 6 persons. So how many choices are there? Huh? Tell bhai, how many number of ways of giving all three prizes to same person out of 6 persons? These 3 prizes becomes a single prize now, as it will be given to only one person. Just like if we have 6 persons and have a bundle, in how many ways can we present this gift to a single to 6 persons? Can you tell now?
1.
Only one person. We have 6 persons in front of us. You want to give this gift to any one of them. In how many ways can you present it? Can you tell now?
So 6.
First, you go to A, one choice. If you go to B, second, C, third, D, fourth, E, fifth, F, 6. So we have 6 choices, not to give this single bundle.
Yes, sir.
Now these 3 prizes are given to the same person. So it is just like the same prize, the single prize. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If we give all the 3 prizes to a single person, it is just like the single prize, not the 3 prizes. So how many choices are there with us? Tell now.
6 choices.
Huh?
6 choices.
Is it not correct? Any confusion? So ask it.
No, sir.
All your doubts clear. Huh? Now what we have to find in our question?
No boy gets all the prizes.
Number of ways of giving all the prizes, all the 3 prizes. To 6 persons, so that no one receives what? All the 3
Right.
prizes. Acha, how many ways are there if there is no restriction?
2, 1, 6.
And out of this, 6 ways are there to give all the prizes to the single person. So the 6 will be removed. So in remaining, either a person gets either 1 prize or 2 prize only. As we have removed the 6 cases in which a single person is getting all the 3 prizes. Only 6 ways are there na? To give all the 3 prizes to single person. So that will be removed from this. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
in all there are 210 choices are there to give 3 prizes to 6 persons such that no boy receives all the prizes. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Out.